Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best lighted snowflakes is probably one of the most enchanting and festive additions you can make to your outdoor holiday decorations, transforming your home into a winter wonderland that captivates neighbors and passersby alike. Imagine the magical glow they cast, mimicking the delicate beauty of real snowfall, creating an inviting and cheerful atmosphere that perfectly embodies the spirit of the season. These illuminated decorations are not just mere lights, they are statement pieces that bring a unique charm and a touch of sparkle to your garden, porch, or entryway, ensuring your home stands out with elegance and holiday cheer throughout the winter months. Number 5. Kringle Traditions Christmas Snowflake Lights Outdoor. Introducing a stunning 36-inch folding snowflake decoration, perfect for your holiday display. It features 105 warm white LED lights that create a beautiful, steady glow. This decoration boasts a clever folding design, making it easy to set up for display and store compactly when not in use. It's also designed to be seen from both sides. You can connect up to 34 of these beautiful snowflakes together on a single plug, allowing for an expansive and dazzling display. Each unit is energy efficient, using only 6.3 watts. Crafted with weather-resistant acrylic bulbs, this decoration is built to last through the winter season. The non-removable bulb construction ensures durability and protection against moisture. Certified for both indoor and outdoor use, this snowflake light provides safe and dependable holiday cheer. Even if one light bulb happens to go out, the rest will continue to shine brightly. This decoration is ideal for a variety of festive occasions. Use it for your outdoor Christmas displays, winter parties, or to add a touch of magic to your windows and eaves. What we like? If you're looking for a grand statement piece, this large 36-inch snowflake is perfect. Its warm white lights create a cozy, inviting glow. You should consider this if you want to make a significant impact on your home's exterior with its impressive size and connectability for a cohesive display. What people say. This is a beautiful snowflake light. It is very bright and looks great in the yard. Easy to assemble and looks magical at night. Number 4. Kringle Traditions 20 Folding Snowflake Light. Add a touch of winter magic to your home with this beautiful 20-inch folding snowflake. It's illuminated with 70 cool white steady LED lights, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. Setting up this decoration is a breeze thanks to its folding design. It snaps open for display and folds flat for easy, compact storage when the season is over. This snowflake is designed to be seen from both sides, ensuring a brilliant display no matter where you place it. It's ideal for hanging or attaching to various surfaces. Connect up to 51 of these snowflakes together on a single plug for an even more spectacular display. Each one uses very little energy, making it an efficient choice. Crafted with weather-resistant materials and durable, shatter-resistant acrylic bulbs, this decoration is built to withstand the elements. Even if one light bulb fails, the others will continue to shine. Certified for safety, this snowflake light is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's a dependable and attractive addition to your Christmas and winter decor. What we like? For those who prefer a brighter, crisper look, this 20-inch snowflake with cool white LEDs is an excellent choice. Its smaller size makes it versatile for various display locations. If you are decorating a smaller space or prefer a modern, sharp aesthetic, this option is ideal. What people say. The snowflakes are bright and colorful, with a good variety of colors. They are easy to set up and hang, and they look great in the yard. The lights are durable and have held up well in the weather. Number 3. Brightown Snowflake Icicle Lights. Add a touch of winter magic to your home with these beautiful snowflake icicle lights. They create a stunning visual display, perfect for any outdoor or indoor space. Featuring 5 adorable snowflake drops, these lights bring a festive and cute charm to your decor. Each snowflake is illuminated by 48 bright LED bulbs. Choose from 8 enchanting lighting modes, including waves, twinkling, and combination effects. Easily switch between modes to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. Conveniently connect up to 2 sets end-to-end to cover larger areas. This feature is perfect for decorating rooftops, trees, or creating a grand cascading light display. Designed for durability, these lights are built to last. Even if one bulb burns out, the rest will continue to shine brightly, ensuring your display remains illuminated. Setting up these lights is a breeze. You can easily hang them on your porch, in windows, or weave them through shrubs and trees for a quick and beautiful decoration. What we like. If you love dynamic and customizable lighting, this Icicle-style snowflake string light is for you. With 8 different modes, you can change the mood of your display effortlessly. Consider this if you want to add a playful, animated touch to your holiday decorations, perfect for creating a lively atmosphere. What people say. The snowflake lights are bright and have a good sparkle. Easy to assemble and hang up, looks great in the yard. The different flashing modes add a nice festive touch. Number 2. Snowflake Christmas String Lights, 9 feet 100 mini bulb icicle lights. Add a touch of winter magic to your home with these delightful string lights. Featuring adorable snowflake-shaped bulbs, they create a whimsical atmosphere for any space. Need more sparkle? These lights are connectable, allowing you to link up to 5 sets for a truly dazzling display across larger areas. Easily switch between a steady, elegant glow and a dynamic flashing mode. Simply replace 2 bulbs with the included twinkle bulbs for a vibrant light show. Designed for longevity, these lights feature replaceable bulbs, ensuring that if one goes out, the rest continue to shine. Spare bulbs and a fuse are included for your convenience. Setting up your festive decorations is a breeze with the included mini clips. Hang them anywhere you desire, from windows and trees to fences and shrubs. Perfect for a variety of occasions, these lights are ideal for Christmas, parties, weddings, and everyday indoor or outdoor decor. They bring a fantastic world of light wherever they are placed. What we like. For extensive decorating needs, this connectable Icicle-style snowflake light is a fantastic option. It offers multiple drops and can be linked with up to 5 sets for a truly expansive display. If you are decorating a large roofline, a big tree, or want a dramatic cascading effect, this product is perfect for you. What people say. The snowflakes are bright and colorful, adding a festive touch to the yard. They are well made and durable, withstanding wind and rain without any issues. The different lighting modes allow for customization, creating a unique display. Number 1. Alpine Corporation 24 Hanging Snowflake Decoration. Add a touch of winter magic to your home or yard with this beautiful hanging snowflake. It's perfect for creating a festive and cheerful holiday atmosphere, indoors or out. This decoration features 102 bright cool white LED lights that provide eye-catching illumination. They are energy efficient and designed to last for years of festive enjoyment. Customize your holiday display with 8 dynamic lighting modes. From twinkling to steady on, you can create a visually stunning Christmas scene. Crafted from sturdy PVC and copper, this snowflake is built to withstand both indoor and outdoor use. It's designed for reliable, long-lasting decoration season after season. Measuring 24 inches tall with a 16-foot cord, it offers versatile placement options. It's easy to set up and operate, making your holiday decorating worry-free. What we like. If you are looking for a standalone, eye-catching hanging decoration, this 24-inch snowflake is a great pick. Its cool white LEDs and 8 unique lighting effects offer a sophisticated and customizable display. This is ideal if you want a single, impressive piece to be the focal point of your indoor or outdoor holiday decor. What people say. The snowflakes are bright and colorful, adding a festive touch to the yard. Easy to assemble and hang, they look great at night. Durable construction, holding up well in various weather conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.